Hello, guys. Yeah, I'm back again with another session of spoken English or English learning. Yeah. Oh, please don't skip, don't skip. I have not come today with a lot of words, very hard, difficult words and informal words. Or even I'm not going to tell you today about the common errors of the Indian students. So don't be scared. Then what shall we do today? Very naturally, you ask yourself this question. So we are going to learn prepositions. I don't mean to say prepositions as prepositions, but prepositions as nouns, adjectives, and even adverbs. Yeah, that's right. Something new. So we generally, many of us have the tendency, or many of us actually speak English using many highfalutin, bombastic words, and we think that we sound very eloquent. But in fact, it's not like that. So it's my request to you, rely more on prepositions than on jaw-breaking words, which unnecessarily tend to make your English complex and arduous. So why should you do that? Which people fail to understand, even the English people fail to understand certain words which are not in use across the globe. So don't use all those words. As often as possible, use prepositions. But prepositions not as prepositions. Okay, prepositions do not function always as prepositions only. They function in different ways. Sometimes they function as nouns, sometimes as adjectives, sometimes even as adverbs. So we will learn the use of some prepositions in order to make our English very rich. So, say you are going to school or you are going to college and your friend asks you, where are you going? What should you say in reply? You may say, I'm going to school or I'm going to college. All right, there's no objection at all. You may, if you like. But if you use a preposition or two prepositions, instead of going, it will sound better. For example, I'm off to school. I'm off to school. O-F-F off, to, T-O-2. Where are you going? Oh, I'm off to college. Oh, are you off to the movies? Are you off to the cinema? Well, so this way you may use off to instead of going. All right. Next, we shall learn the use of onto, O-N-T-O, as a single word, onto, not to separate words. On, then gap, then to, not like that, onto. If you use this word onto, your English will be very precise and concise. Say someone wants to know about the character of one of your neighbors. He asks you, do you know what sort of a person he is? But in fact, you are not aware of what sort of a person he is. So in reply, you can easily say, well, I'm sorry, I'm not quite aware of what sort of a person he is. But instead of making this long sentence, you may use a short sentence by using this preposition onto. Sorry, I ain't on to him. I ain't, A-I-N apostrophe T. Ain't is the shortened form of am not here in this sentence. Ain't also acts as a short form of is not, have not, has not. But here in this sentence, am not. I'm not onto him. I ain't onto him. Sorry. Are you onto him? No, very much. He is my crony. Crony means a close friend. C-R-O-N-Y, crony. So next we shall learn the use of into, I-N-T-O, into. Into may be used in place of interested. Into may be used in place of involved in. For example, these days we are very much into English. We are learning English. We are very interested in English. So we are into English. Or say, in your friend's office, there is a vacancy, and your friend asks you whether you will accept the job. But you are already involved in a business. As you are already involved in a business, you tell your friend, sorry, I'm already involved in a business. Or you may use this word into, I-N-T-O, as a single word. What is that? Oh, no, I can't accept that job. I'm into business. I'm into business. That means I'm involved in a business. I'm into business. Are you into French? Oh, sometimes I feel that it is necessary for me to learn French. But in fact, I'm not into French. I ain't into French. All right? Next, all in. All is a word, and in is a preposition. What does this pair mean? What does this phrase mean? All in. You have returned from your office. You are absolutely played out. Played out means very tired or exhausted. So your wife asks you at the time to go shopping with her. But you are not in a position to do that because you are very tired. So you may tell your wife, oh, darling, oh, honey, I'm all in. I'm all in. Because I'm very tired. I'm Harry Flakers. Harry Flakers also means very tired. Okay? So you may use this phrase, all in, instead of very tired or very exhausted. Okay. Next, we will learn the use of the word, of the preposition rather, that is to, to. To is used as a preposition on different occasions. You know, there are different contexts in which in may be used. But here, we will learn the use of the word to as an adverb. Okay? So, say somebody has lost consciousness, and you all are trying to just bring the person back to consciousness. So you are sprinkling his face with water. All of a sudden, he regains consciousness. And you shout out, oh, he has come to. He has come to. He has come to means he has regained consciousness. After the surgery, the patient is not regaining consciousness for quite some time. All the doctors are busy bringing that patient to. All the doctors are very busy bringing the patient to, to. So to come to means to regain consciousness, or to bring to means to bring back to consciousness. Okay? Next is in, I-N, in. We shall learn the use of the preposition in, I-N, in. So in is often used by all of you as a preposition only. But today we are going to learn this as an adjective, in. In simply means in vogue or in fashion. In vogue or in fashion. Say, a stubbly beard is very much in these days. A stubbly beard, and some people are there who don't actually shave themselves clean, or who don't shave clean. Why? Because they want to grow a stubbly beard in order to look more handsome, perhaps. And so they may say that, well, a stubbly beard is very much in these days. You remember perhaps if you are my age, that way back in the 1970s, a kind of trousers called bell-bottom trousers. Bell-bottom trousers were very much in the 1970s. Okay, so next is up on, not as a single word upon, upon, but as two separate words, up, on, up, on. In which context may we use these two words, up, on? Say, he has one up on me. He has one up on me. You have one up on me, or I have one up on you. Now, it means, this sentence in fact means you have advantage over me. You have an advantage over me. You may use this way that I can't beat you at all. Why? Because you are one up on me. So it's impossible for me to beat you because you have an advantage over me. So these are the prepositions that we have used in different ways, and I think from now onwards you will also start using these prepositions in the way I have just discussed with you. Well, so it is time for us to call it a day for this video. Let me tell you, my dear friends, that upcoming few days, I will not be able to upload any video at all because I'm on election duty. And if you are a resident of West Bengal, you know that election is around the corner, panchayat election. And I'm on election duty. Therefore, I will not find time to make any video and upload the video. So please forgive me for this. I think that once again it will be possible for us to resume our session after a couple of days. All right? Please like and comment. Do not forget to comment. You watch this video and then skip over to some other video, but you do not pass any comment at all. Why? Please do pass a comment. All right, I eagerly wait for your comments. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I think it is high time you made your mind up to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, my dear friend. See you again in the next session. Bye-bye.